Hi guys, I have received the Framesi Strike4. As you can see, the Strike4, this is the new color trend from Framesi. 20 seconds. Basically 20 seconds, you put on the hair, you straighten into the hair and the colors is there. Just wash it, blow dry it. It's absolutely, you get all this color and you can get this color. You can get so many different color. We have more than 20-30 shades of color in 2001. Also we have in bold color we can use with it. So tomorrow I'm going to be doing the new clients and it's going to be fantastic work with different colors. Keep following me for updates.
on using the new Framesi 20-second formation hair.
Today we're using the Strike4, and the Strike4 is the 20-second color. This is the first time this is in UK. This is amazing. When you open the box, you will see so many bold color. This is coming with it. The bold color altogether you can use to be creative as well. So you can use it in many different ways. You can use the light and shine. You can use the 2001 range. For example, the bold color, you will be using it on the pre-lightened hair. The light and shine you use on the colored hair, and you use the 2001 on the natural hair. And all the details has been written inside on the booklet. This one, it says the pink with the clear, pink with orchid, orchid with violet, and this is light pink. Now each one is for different reasons, different way I'm going to be using it. There we go. Take one section from here. Okay, thank you very much. Now when you take the foils out, the foils is coming like this. As soon as you take the foils, open it. So it's very simple. You open it. So the lighter one is single. Lighter one is just go first. Second one is go on top. So you put this one inside there. If you want to, what you can do, for example, I'm going to use the orchid with violet. Just put a little bit color here. That will hold the hair for you. There we go. It will hold the hair for you. And after that, just go on top and go down. Now I'm going to go a little bit more. And then put this one on top. Fold the end of the hair, the end of the foils, put the clips on there, and after that, with my straightener, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then tap it, 1, 2, 3, 4. So open down, and then release it, and then you can put one metal clips in the end. 20 seconds, and after that you can wash it. Now I'm doing the last one here. Yeah, just leave like that. Just take it. After using this foam for 20 seconds, and then you're going to wash it. After you rinse all this color, you have to seal it with color methods. So it's been sealed and it wouldn't be fading. After that, the hair conditioner will be much better as well. You can cover both, it's fine. Now, this the Strike4 is 20-second color. You can do it on highlighted hair, you can do it on colored hair, you can do it on natural hair. It's different color for it. For example, 2001, you can do it on natural hair. Light and shine, you can do it on colored hair and bold color you're going to do on pre-lightened hair. Oh. After I introduced that to Carrie, and she's absolutely love it, and now she asking, she want more, and that is how you introduce different color to your client. If you don't introduce the color to client, then the client wouldn't know. So now look, the color is absolutely amazing. You can show the other size, like here we go. This is the violet with orchid, is 1 dot of orchid and 1 dot of violet, and also is 15 gram of clear. And here you can see the pink, 2 dot of pink with 15 gram is give like kind of champagne color. It's more like a rosy champagne color. It's beautiful colors are showing. Now inside there you can see, here we go, multi colors is going inside the hair. Well, it looks so soft, so natural.